Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I am glad you're here. Today is a little bit of a different video. We're basically going to cannibalize this nip to hook up our brother B Shady, who is hunting some black hardware to match his nip to his Jaeger. So what I thought I would do is I've got several nips, and I trick this one out, but it's time for a change, and I am going to disassemble it, show you guys how it comes apart, swap out the hardware so I can send this to Brother B Shady before the mail comes today, as it were. All right, so there's our clip. Devo uses such good screws. This should not be too painful of a video. All right. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to pop that pivot. To get that hardware out. Let's see. And that's kind of hanging in there. Let's do this. Let's see if this side's going to come out any easier. That actually popped it. There it goes. All right, so we got that side in. Now let's do this. Bada bing. Bada boom, guys. That should be it. Pretty fast and furious. Let's see what we got here. Chink. Guys, the nip is an easy guy to take apart. I've taken these apart several times. I put skiffs in it. I did a hardware swap on this one to put the black hardware on it to kind of trick it out. But B Shady's been looking for it for quite a while, hardware, and he hadn't been able to find any. And the last thing I need to do is be hung up on the hardware on the knife. So anyway, guys, quick disassembly hardware swap for Brother B Shady on our little Devo nip. Short video. I'll throw it up right now. It'll just be a random video coming up during the day. But guys, do me a favor. If you're so inclined, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I want to say thank you to all the channel members. I want to say thank you to anyone who comes in and watches my knife and EDC content. Thank you. I want to ask any of you, if you haven't had a chance yet, if you're so inclined, please hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon down there. It really does help me out. But most importantly, the thing that I ask is, if you would, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for one another. Go forward with love in your hearts and choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.